Do you find some Hungarian words tricky to say, like the z, r, or n sounds? Try this fun tongue twister to practice your R sound. Rrrr. Répa retek mogyoró, korán reggel ritkán rikkant a rigó. Répa retek mogyoró, korán reggel ritkán rikkant a rigó. Is it too fast and tricky? No worries. Let's take it slow and practice step by step. Répa, carrot. Répa. Retek, radish. Retek. Mogyoró, peanut. Mogyoró. Korán, early. Korán. Reggel, morning. Reggel. Ritkán, rarely. Ritkán. Rikkant, shouts or sings. Rikkant. Rigó. Blackbird. Rigó. So how did it go? Were you able to roll your R? Rrrr. Let's try a little bit faster this time. Répa, retek, mogyoró, korán, reggel, ritkán, rikkant, a rigó. Making the Hungarian R sound, rrr, might feel new because it is rolled and trilled, just like in Spanish. Some languages don't have this sound because it needs a relaxed tongue, strong air pressure, and lots of airflow to create it. In many languages, the R sound made differently. For example, in English, the tongue stays low and flat, like in the word car, or it curves back, like when saying, "Arr, ahoy, me mateys." Other languages make their R in the back of the throat, starting with a H sound before turning into an R with a small vibration. But in Hungarian, the tongue does the work at the front. To pronounce the Hungarian R correctly, warm up your tongue first. A great way to start it is tongue clicking. You need two types of clicks. One, where your tongue touches the roof of your mouth, the palate. Another, where your tongue touches the soft area behind your lower teeth. By clicking, try imitating an R sound, then an U sound with your mouth and lips. Next, keep practicing the upper tongue clicks. Once you got that, place your tongue in the same position where you start the click. Take a deep breath and with a strong air pressure, say "krrrr," just like a crow or a raven. Krrrr, krrrr. If you listen carefully, you'll hear your tongue rolling naturally. That's the Hungarian R. Rrrr, rrrr. Répa retek mogyoró, répa retek mogyoró, korán reggel, ritkán rikkant a rigó, ritkán rikkant a rigó. I bet you are curious about the meaning of the tongue twister. Well, In English, translation might not make much sense. That's because it is just a fun way to practice tricky sounds using random words. But if we try to translate, it would be something like this: carrot, radish, peanut, the blackbird rarely sings in the morning. Why not try practicing other Hungarian sounds?